So, when you're trying to take this plastic cover off here, in the last video I said there was 2 bolts here and over there, which I don't see anymore. Anyhow, there is another bolt, and I'd taken it off a long time ago and forgot all about it. But it's up here in the front, and it's underneath here, right there. That's where it is. So, if you want to take this plastic thing off, that's what you got to do. That and those other 2 bolts. Here, some people have a problem taking this off. Well, mine just slips right off, but it's missing a little screw here, probably a hexagonal screw. So you got to take that little hexagonal screw off to make this come off.